At number 2, we have the Simplicity S20EZM. This is our runner-up pick and stands out with its HEPA media filtration, effectively trapping allergens and dust particles as small as 0.3 microns for cleaner air. Its robust suction power handles mixed flooring effortlessly, aided by a 5-height adjustable metal brush roll that adapts to carpets of varying pile heights and transitions smoothly to hard floors without scratching surfaces. The vacuum features a retractable 30-foot cord and an aluminum telescoping wand, providing extended reach for above-floor cleaning around furniture, vents, or ceilings. Onboard tools like a crevice tool and dusting brush add versatility for upholstery or tight spaces, while the bag system maintains consistent suction and contains debris efficiently. Durable construction includes a steel brush roll and metal handle tube, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. Though the brush roll cannot be turned off, its design allows safe operation on bare floors. The vacuum's Gold Seal approval from the Carpet and Rug Institute reinforces its effectiveness in soil removal and carpet preservation. While the hose placement at the base prevents tipping during use, the 30-foot cleaning radius balances maneuverability in larger spaces. For those prioritizing air quality and adaptable cleaning, this model delivers reliable performance with hospital-grade filtration